Are you ready to unlock the secrets of rapid fat burning and sustainable weight loss? Welcome to Keto Essentials, where we dive deep into the science of keto and reveal how to maximize your keto burn for life-changing results. The ketogenic diet isn't just another trend. It's backed by real science. When you cut carbs and eat more healthy fats, your body enters a state called ketosis. This is where your liver produces ketones, turning fat into your primary energy source. But what makes keto so effective? It's the science of keto burn. By burning fat instead of carbs, you not only lose weight, but also boost your energy, improve mental clarity, and enhance overall health. Did you know the average person can burn 2 to 3 times more fat while in ketosis? That's the magic of keto burn. By following a low-carb, high-fat diet, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Here are 3 ways to enhance your keto burn. Eat healthy fats: avocado, olive oil, and nuts. Stay active. Combine keto with light exercise. Hydrate and get electrolytes. Balance is key. Thousands of people in the USA have transformed their lives with keto. Science proves it, and the results speak for themselves. With Keto Essentials, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Meal plans, keto recipes, and science-backed tips to maximize your results. Ready to start your keto journey? Hit that subscribe button and let's burn fat, boost energy, and unlock your best self. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone looking to transform their life with keto. This is Keto Essentials, your ultimate guide to ketogenic living.